Hello, so hopefully you've watched the lesson for today. This is your review that you're going to have a go at today. So it's slightly different than the review in the workbook, but it's still based on the same things that we've been learning. So your first question today is which numbers are missing? Write the answers in the boxes. So what I want you to do is look at the numbers that we've got on the number line, but some of these numbers are missing. You can probably work out already just from looking at it straight away what these numbers are. But if you're a little bit stuck, make sure that you count up and then you'll know which number you're on. Can you write the answers in the boxes, please? Make sure you pause the video now so that you have time to do that. Okay, this one underneath is a bit of a challenge. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry. So we have the numbers 3, 6, 9, blank, 15. Okay, now this is a challenge. So what I want you to do is think about what are we adding on to 3 to get to 6? Have a think. Well done. We've added on 3 to get to 6. Now what I want you to do is think about what have we added on to 6 to get to 9. Well done. We've added on 3. So what I want you to do now is add on 3 again. What answer are you going to put in this box? Okay, well done. So hopefully you've worked out the answer. You should then be able to add on 3 to get to 15. And then you're going to add on 3 more to see what the answer is at the end. Okay, make sure you pause the video now if you need some more time. Okay, so the next question, we can see it's asking us to colour the numbers in the correct colour. Now I want you to colour in the numbers in the 2 times table in blue. If they're in the 3 times table, so this is your challenge part, colour them in red. Now the way that you can do this is start by counting in 2s. 1, 2. I know that 2 is in the 2 times table, so I'm going to colour it in blue. I'm going to count on 2 more. 1, 2. 4 is in the 2 times table, so I'm going to colour it in blue. Can you pause the video now and do that for me, please? Okay, your next question is based on the work that we've just been doing. So what I want you to do is see if you can answer the questions below. We've got 1 times 2, 3 times 2, 5 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 6 times 2. Pause the video now, please, and have a go at these questions. Okay, question 4. Think of a number sentence you could write about this picture. So what I want you to do is look at these stars. You might already be able to tell how many stars there are altogether, but we want to write a number sentence to show how we could work this out. So the first thing I want you to do is count how many stars there are in the top row, which is across here. Next, I want you to count how many stars there are going down. Well done. Now I want you to count how many stars there are all together. What does all together mean? Well done. It means we need to count all of them. So I want you to count all of the stars, please. Well done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to write a number sentence using these numbers. So whatever you've written in the yellow box goes here. Whatever you've written in the red box goes here, and whatever you've written in the green box is going to go here. And that's our number sentence that represents this picture. As a challenge, maybe you could think about another number sentence using those same numbers, not any strangers like we do with our fact family, and tell me another number sentence you can write. I'll be very impressed if you can do that. Okay, so I'm now going to move down to the final question. We are now going to think about dividing, which is sharing. So you might be thinking about how I do the action of sharing when we're in class to show this. So if Miss King has 6 sweets, which are the sweets here, and she divides them equally between 2 people, how many will they get each? So we're doing 6 divided by 2. That's why there's 2 jars here. Use the jars to help you count them out. So I want you to put 1 sweet in this jar, then 1 sweet in this jar, 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 1 sweet in this jar. You might want to draw the sweets out and cross them out as you draw them so you know how many you've got in each jar. Remember, you only have 6 sweets and each jar must have the same amount of sweets in them. Well done. When you finish this, please can you post it on your portfolio so that we can see all your amazing work. Well done, guys. Fantastic work.